Okay, let's go to the history again. Which concept is most central to the TCM definition of health?
Balance, harmony
Balance,
within the
harmony
body
within
and
body and
environment.
mind.
Qi deficiency differs from Qi stagnation because deficiency primarily refers to,
Insufficiency quantity.
Insufficiency cognitive functions.
okay, which pair correctly reflects yin characteristics.
Cooling and
Fully
nourishing.
nourishing.
Disease in yin yang theory is most often interpreted as
Disease.
Excess and deficiency of yin and yang.
which element is not one of the five elements.
Air.
The five elements model is tagal niya na nakasagot. The five elements model is primarily used to understand
Relationship among the
Relationships
body
among body
system.
systems.
which Zangfu organ is associated with regulating emotions and flow.
Heart.
Huh?
Heart, emotion, di
Nakalak
ba?
lang.
Liver.
Emotion.
Emotions nga.
Oh.
Diba heart? Diba heart ang
No, it's
Heart.
emotions and flow. Okay?
Diba heart ang emotion?
No, pero kasama yung flow ng chi.
Ang flow of chi.
Theory. Whatever. Okay.
Okay, you have one mistake. In TCM, the heart is said to govern.
Circulation and mind.
The spleen is primarily responsible for
Transformation and
Digestion.
digestion.
the organ system is associated with vitality and reproduction.
Kidney.
Meridians are best described as
Channels through which
Channel
chi
through
and
which blood circulates.
TCM diagnosis focuses primarily on identifying.
pattern of
Patterns of
imbalance.
imbalances.
That's why we will all take up the patterns, okay? In
Yes.
habang buhay tayo. Which diagnostic method is emphasized in TCM observation?
Tongue examination.
Kaya walang palya tayo sa tongue, di ba? Because if
Yes.
you don't look at the tongue, you did not train with us, okay? Pattern difference is based on
Four
diagnostic method.
which is not one of the four major diagnostic methods.
Histopathology.
Acupuncture primarily to
influence chi flow.
which modality involves heat therapy?
Moxibustion.
Moxie pala.
Tuina is best described as
Therapeutic massage.
which practice combines breathing and movement?
Qigong.
Qigong.
And meridians
Our universal accepted scientific concept.
No.
Hindi.
What's
Chi
the
meridian.
answer?
Anatomical structure.
Anatomical.
Lack direct equivalent. Wala
Yeah.
equivalence in modern biomedical science. The foundation of TCM ultimately emphasizes
Harmonious relationship among vital force and system.
TCM roots extend back
more than 2,000 years.
More than 2,000 years.
Yin Yang and five elements originally help explain
health, disease, and nature.
The most influential early medical text was
Wang Di Neijing.
Bang Xiaojing. I think.
Ano daw?
Wang Di Neijing nga pala. Oo, nakalimutan ko.
Wang Di Neijing. Okay. The Wang Di Neijing was compiled approximately, diba? Kailan sinula?
Oh no.
Kailan siya kinanta?
10th century?
No.
10th century ba?
Third and first.
15th century?
Third to first.
Tama, third and first.
Third and first. Tsaka mahusay, mami.
Kasi 2,000 years ago, more than 2,000.
Third to first centuries. Common sense. Okay. Ito naman. Di ba memorize yung mga dynasty?
Wala.
The Han Dynasty lasted. Ano ba siya? Before Christ?
Han Dynasty.
Answer is A. 260 to 220.
Mali tayo. Mali ng dalawa na mali ko.
Qi Chen's major work was
Compendium of Materia
Medica. Approximately how many medicinal substances were cataloged by Li Shichen?
3,000.
Guessing? Okay, let's get the best.
3,000 or
1,900.
Okay,
wow,
he's
bongga
ito lang yung
kabisado.
medyo definite, o di ba? One, wow.
Hindi pala, wow.
What a wonderful guess. Okay. Modern standardized TCM was promoted during which dynasty?
Tang Dynasty.
No.
Hindi, 1950s, PRC.
PRC.
Modern eh.
1950s simula
Modern
pala.
yan.
Oo nga pala. 1950s, 1950s,
Which is not a
1950s.
major contemporary TCM therapy.
Gene therapy.
Gene therapy.
Which classic is considered the foundational text of TCM theory?
Wang Di
Huang
Neijing.
Di.
The six stages system originates from
Huang Di Neijing.
Wang Jing Deng.
Sanghan Lun.
Shanghai.
Which
Okay.
classic is the earliest surviving Chinese materia medica?
Suen.
Yeah, this is
Ding
the
Shu?
favorite book of Sun.
Shannon.
Oh.
Deno, Beko Jing.
Who wrote
Wait.
Sanghan Lun?
Sun Ximiao.
Zhang
No.
Zhongjing.
Li
Letter C.
Qi.
Letter C, Zhang
Ah,
Zhongjing.
Yes.
Wow.
Ay, wow. Ano yun, Huna?
Diba sa ulo ko na?
Cinque Yaolue. Ayos ko na ba? Napalupot yung aking team. Focuses mainly on...
Internal miscellaneous disease.
Oh, alam niyo. Wang Ting is traditionally a dialogue between... So actually, nag-uusap sila dito. Diba? Sino yung kausap ni Wang Ti?
Li Qi.
Chibo.
Oh.
Chibo.
Chibo.
Consists of how many books?
Neijing.
4 books.
Anong pong book? 2 books.
Two books.
The Emperor tsaka ano yun?
Suen translates approximately as. So what is the meaning of Suen?
Golden Chamber.
No.
Hindi talaga
Hindi.
Chinese.
Spiritual pivot.
No, basic question.
Basic question.
Limutan ko, tagal nito
Ay, alam mo talaga? Okay.
Hindi, nakalimutan ko. Tagal na po kasi itong inaral natin eh.
Ling Shu primarily focuses on
Acupuncture and meridian.
Acupuncture and meridians.
each section of the Neijing contains how many chapters? Ito,
25
lumabas.
chapter.
Ha?
No. Wait.
Ilan ba ma'am? 81?
40?
Wow, sige, yun na.
81 chapters.
The
Oo.
Neijing emphasizes
Treating
Treating
disorders,
disease-
severe manifestation.
ha? After
Hindi.
ibig mo sabihin,
Prevention
before
before
disease
disease.
appears.
prevention before this.
Before disease appears. Oo nga pala,
The
si
Neijing
Neijing.
was added to UNESCO's Memory of the World Register in what year?
Patay tayo.
2011.
2000?
Oh, grabe. Hula.
Native. Wow, kabisado
Wala,
ni ma'am.
wala.
Okay.
Wala.
I think
Bongga.
yes.
Estimate lang.
The Neijing compares humans to
Neijing.
Letter B?
proportions of the
Macrocosm.
Microorganisms of the universe?
classic established systematic pattern-based diagnosis.
Pattern.
Ling
Ling
Shu.
Shu.
No, Sanghan Lun.
Isang pala.
Oh, hindi ko siya.
Haiyan corresponds to
Sayang.
Sayang. Stereo disease?
yes, letter B, correct.
B.
Yang
Stereo disease.
characterized by
Yang.
remember, may yang yan, ha? Yang.
Yang. Yang.
Interior
Inferior heat and thirst.
Your heat and thirst. Alternating fever and chills. Ibig sabihin, hindi nawala yung sakit niya. Nandoon lang siya.
Shaoyang.
Shaoyang.
Galing naman. Digestive weakness and coldness.
Sayang.
Okay.
Sayang.
Cold
Ay,
weakness.
oo nga pala pag mahina. Sorry.
Huiyin represents
Chewing. Digestive weakness. Oh, chewing. Liver, kidney.
Complex mixed heat
Yes.
cold.
Complex and patterns.
which formula originates. Okay, ngayon. Sige, let's
Oh my God.
the power of hula.
Letter A, Bonsha, Hopotang.
No.
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 Kaloka ka.
Gucci-tang.
Ma Huangtang is also called
Alam mo na yan, ma'am.
Manghong. Ephedra decoction.
wow.
Decoction.
Alam niya.
Mm.
Okay. Xiao Chai Hutang translates as
Xiao Chang Hu-tang. Uh,
White Tiger decoction.
ay,
no,
Minor
Minority
stroke
Peru.
decoction.
Ang ano, liver yan eh.
decoction.
Liver
Tuloy
yan.
ko na
Ang
ba yan?
liver.
Okay. Hai Hutang
Bayo.
is
Kalimutan ko titang.
Bai Hutang. Dragon decoction.
Decoction.
no
See?
white
White
tiger.
tiger. Bai
Hula-hulaan talaga kayo. Sinitang.
Ate pa to eh.
Frigid extremity.
Wow.
Wow, naalala niya pa.
Alam niya. Okay. Fine. Booming one.
Womb. Wumi.
Pil.
Cinnamon pill.
No. Movement.
Pil.
Ang Hanlun remains influential because it links
Shanghai.
It links histology to treatment.
wala nga tayong histology.
Symptoms directly to
Dito
formulas.
formulas.
Yeah, symptoms directly to formulas. Western na yung histology. Qingqi Yaole originated from Hula.
Kanina parang natanong na to eh.
Shanghai, sabing lun.
Ling Shu.
Wow, Sangha,
Ah.
sabing lun.
Shanghai, sabing lun.
Ay, alam niya.
Ayan, alam mo to. Jia Chongqing.
Naalala ko na sa
It's often
konti.
called. Sige, go.
Alam mo to.
Binamit mo.
Zong
Jiang
si
Chongqing.
Zong.
Ano
Yellow
siya?
Emperor
Ha?
No.
Hindi,
Hindi.
siniging yung yellow.
is either Chinese hypocrite.
Chinese Hippocrates.
Oh, yeah.
Yaole contains how many chapters? Hula.
25.
One chapter.
Wow, 25. Ay, grabe ka sa hula. Approximately how many formulas are included in Tinku Yaole?
250.
250.
Wow. Which famous formula from Tinku Yaole is commonly associated with blood stasis patterns?
Diba pag sa blood stasis nag-uusapan, si ano
Xiao
to?
Cha Hutang.
Bai Hutang.
No.
Pooling.
Pooling.
Pooling
Pooling.
one.
Who is
Sino ba
she?
isa herb?
Pooling is porya eh.
Which
So, alam
formula
naman?
listed in Tinku Yaole is traditionally used in gynecological contexts?
Qinyang.
Mahuwang tang.
No, Tangkui. Tangkui
Sobrang
Xiao Yao.
Gynecology.
Chen Chi Wan later became widely known as, syempre andun pa rin yung pangalan niya.
Si ano to? Si
Letter A.
JP1.
Which formula originates from Qingku Yaole rather than Sanghan Lun?
Bai Hatung.
By her.
Mali pa rin.
Oh?
The key principle emphasized in chapter 1 of Qingku Yaole is
Prevention and early recognition of
of patterns.
how many medicinal substances are cataloged in the Shennong Bancao Xing?
250.
365.
365 pala yun.
Upper grade herbs are primarily characterized as
Upper grade. Nourishing and generally non-toxic.
middle
Very good.
grade herbs are mainly intended for
Middle
Treating
grade.
illness and threatening the health.
lower grade herbs are typically
Strong in effect and often toxic.
toxic.
which herb is an upper grade example? O di ba example ka agad?
Ginseng.
Ginseng.
Which herb is included among the notable substances in Shennong Bencao-Ting?
Ano to eh?
Licorice.
Licorice. Wow, alam niyo.
Wow, sado na.
Culinary and medicinal substances listed.
Which
Turmeric.
one? Ginger.
Ginger. Which
Ginger,
farming herb appears among the famous herbs?
Which warming?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. reishi mushroom is also known as
Wang Chi?
No.
Huling.
Tang
Ano yan?
ay puro kayo hula. Lingqi.
Lychee.
The Shenong Bancao Qing laid the foundation for
Herbal classification.
which concept was strongly emphasized in the Shenong Bancao Qing?
Toxicity awareness.
The
Tama.
relationship between herbs and organ systems is a concept developed in
Shenong Bancao Qing.
which later masterpiece was influenced by Shenong Bancao Qing.
Compendium of
Yes,
material.
the master, the
Very good.
masterpiece.
Oo.
The Shenong Bancao Qing is considered
The earliest surviving
Chinese
pharmacology.
pharmacological classic.
collectively the four classics provide foundations in
Diagnosis only.
Theory, diagnosis, herbal medicine, and treatment.
yes, letter D. Huwag kayong sumagot ng only. Usually mali.
Oo. Sorry.
The historical significance of Wang Tinei is often compared to
Canon of
Canon of
medicine.
medicine.
Hippocratic.
Pala.
According to the Neijing, health depends partly upon
Seasonal
Seasonal
environmental
environment.
harm.
which sixth stage is the most exterior level of disease.
Yang
No, exterior.
Doyin.
Ano ba yung una-unang na-affect? Like when you have
Sayang.
Kaya?
SI and bladder. Remember?
Kaya o bladder.
Sayang.
High fever, thirst, and constipation.
High
Anong stage?
fever.
Yang.
Yangming.
Yang.
Deficiency of either yin or yang is especially associated with
Xiao Yang.
no, Shaoyin.
Shaoyin.
The most complex mixed heat-cold stage.
Juyin.
Doyin.
The defining feature of classical pattern differentiation is focused on
Patterns of
Patterns of
symptoms and
symptoms, imbalances.
among the four diagnostic methods, pulse assessment belongs to
Direct pattern evaluation.
letter A. Tongue diagnosis falls under
observation.
Palpation.
no observation. Tongue diagnosis.
Observation, di mo pa palpitation.
Napalpate mo yung modality typically applies suction to the body.
Cupping.
Acupuncture.
Ano
Cupping.
Suction.
Suction pala sa cupping.
Which practice combines breathing, movement, cultivation of qi.
Qigong.
Qi is believed to circulate primarily through
Meridian.
TCM organ systems are best understood as
Functional relationships.
Functions, relationship, and network.
which organ governs respiration and defensive energy?
Lungs.
Which organ is associated with growth, reproduction, and vitality?
Kidney.
The organ most commonly associated with emotional regulation.
Liver.
The heart is said to govern
Circulation and mind.
which organ? Digestion and transformation.
Spleen.
A hallmark of TCM.
Whole person assessment.
Whole person
Whole
assessment.
person assessment. Kahit pa ate, tingnan mo na, no? Single best summary of TCM foundations is
Letter A.
Letter A.
Health depends on the.
Yes.
yeah. Wow, did you get a perfect score?
No.
No, Doc. Hindi ko na maalala yung
Congratulations.
yung mga history.